Hi Planner Buddies, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I want to talk with you about templates from the VIP Club. The new 2023 Life Planner collection is coming with a new freebie library. I already told you everything about the VIP Club in a separate video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use the template in your planner. So this might be especially interesting for everyone who is using an essential planner, and that's why we are going to swipe to an essential planner right now. Okay, so this one is the Simple Life Essential Planner. I just decided I wanted to show you how this works with the Simple Life Planner. So this is the Simple Life Planner in the Essential version. The Essential version has less templates. You can see this on the dashboard that in comparison to the Ultimate Life Planner, you have less things in the dashboard. Let me show you. This is the Ultimate Life Planner in the blooming style. And if you compare the dashboard here, you have you have way more templates here than on the Essential Planner. But that does not mean that you cannot use templates in this planner as well. So it doesn't matter if you purchase the Essential or the Ultimate Life Planner, you will still get the same template. The only difference is that you will have all the templates in your planner. And if you're using the Essential Planner, you need to import the template into this planner. So the Essential Planner is perfect for everyone who do not want to have so many templates or who may also want to customize the planner. And I'm going to show you now how we can import a template. So all templates from this planner, so from the Simple Life Planner, will also come with your purchase, so you can find them in the download folder, the PNG versions. But if you want to use from a different planner, so templates from the Blooming, for example, or if you want to use PDF templates, then you need to download them from the VIP Club. But I'm going to show you first how you can download and import PNG templates. So if you swipe to the second dashboard, you can also see some instructions here, and you can click here to see this video tutorial again, so this that we are currently watching. And to download the template, you need to go to the VIP Club. I already explained you what the VIP Club is and how you can get access to it in a separate video. I will link that in the description. And now we are going back to the VIP Club. I will go through the dashboard, click on yes, and it is already open because I'm logged in. So I'm clicking on enter, and now I can see the VIP Club. I showed you, wait, here that we have the templates and we have different categories. We have finances, organizer, manifestation, goals, and so on. And as you can see in the VIP Club, you see all these categories again. Because if you download a PNG file from this category, you will get all the templates that are in this category. So for example, when we go with finances, if you download finances, you will have all these templates in finances. So I want to use the blooming templates right now because we're having the Simple Life Planner. So, and I will go with finances just because I already told you. No, maybe we go with planning pages. So I click on planning pages, and you can see that it automatically starts a download. So I click on download, and now I can see that this zip file is in my download folder on my iPad. So if you are on your home screen, you can find it in this icon here, the iPad files, and then you have to ensure that it's download. So now you can see I have reflection and planning pages. So because I accidentally downloaded, so I'm clicking on planning pages. I will click on the zip file, and now you can see the folder. And here we are, we have all the planning pages in SPNG template in this folder. You can see you have a horizontal week, for example, with the Blooming Life Planner style, and with the Sunday start, and we also have Monday start. And I want to use the daily page right now, so I'm going to click on the day. This is the 1 day on 2 pages, and I want to use it in my planner. This is very easy. You can click on the arrow on the top right corner, and then you click on copy. I will explain you why I use copy instead of drag and drop. or I will show you. So I will go to January and I will click on this. Okay, this was a testing file, so don't worry, it will not look like this. So I click on paste, and now I can paste the page, and I can just resize it, and I covered everything up because you can see it is it has a white background. So now I have my blooming life planner style in the purple, simple life planner. Isn't that amazing? I think this is so cool to mix and match the planner. And now you can just use it. By the way, if you're using the daily page as I am doing, you can just crop it, for example. So activate the image tool and crop, and then you can cut off the dots because I already have dots here. Why am I doing this? Because if you're using GoodNotes, it can be that your pages will take a while to load. The more stickers and pages and pictures, the more stickers and pictures you have on this page, the more it can load. So many stickers and pictures can cause longer loading time. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, and now you can see I have my PNG daily in this one. So the thing why I wanted to show you this with the Essential Planner is the following. So when I go to finances, for example, you can see I do not have finances here. This is because I need to use a custom page. So I'm clicking on custom like this, and now I can click on the one. And when I want to use finances, for example, I'm going back to the VIP club, and I will download the PNGs for finances. Going to download them. So, and then I can choose, for example, a monthly finances pages. This is a Monday start, by the way, but you also have a Sunday start. So I'm going with Monday start. I will click copy, and I go back to my Essential Planner, and I will paste it. So now I will resize it, and now I have my monthly finances in the Essential Planner. So, and this is how it works with the PNG. So you can just copy and paste it. And if you want to reuse it, you can use the glass tool, activate images, and then you can click on add elements. You can create a new elements collection, for example. I'm going to call it finances, for example. Click on finances. So when I want to reuse this, I can easily go to the elements again, and then I have my finances again. So I'm going to use the image tool because it's better for resizing. And you have your finances again. So now I want to show you why I'm copying instead of drag and drop. So remember, this is the one that I copied. When I use icons, and I'm going to drag and drop my monthly finances now. It can be possible. It doesn't have to be, but it's often like that you will have less quality with drag and drop. So we can check it. Can you see this? This is the one that I copied and pasted, and you can see it has less pictures than drag and drop. I have no idea why this is happening, but that's why I'm showing you this. Whenever you want to use templates, go to the arrow on the top right corner here and click on copy, and then go back to your planner and paste, because you will see a difference. And this is the way how you can enjoy your template with less pictures, because honestly I dislike pictures, and I'd rather do the actual step to copy and paste than just drag and drop, because you can see the quality is way better. Okay, so the second way to import a template is with PDF. So I currently don't have a PDF right now because I will upload all PDF sections later after Christmas to the VIP club, but I can still show you with any PDF. And this is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you this with the Student Planner Lite from my shop because this is the smallest PDF file that I just found. So if you want to use PDF files in your planner, it is possible. And I'm going to show you this now with a notebook just to show you the difference. So you have a notebook cover and you can just let's write down Student Planner. So Study Planner. We call it Study Lite. So and now I have the option to use the Student Planner Lite and import it in your planner. I will show you this with the Student Planner Lite, but trust me, it is also working with the PDF files that I will offer in the VIP club as soon as possible. So what I'm going to do is to click on the arrow here. So if you make it a bit bigger, you will also find the arrow here on the bottom on the top right corner, and then you can open it in GoodNotes. Now GoodNotes is asking you if you want to create a new document or if you want to import to the current document. If you click on after, it will always add you after the page. You click on before, it will import the planner before the notebook cover, and we do not want this, so we are choosing after. But you can also add this on the last page. This is also possible. I'm going to show you this with after. So when we click on import to current document, you can see it's of course a completely different planner, but we have the Study Lite and then we have this one. The nice thing about PDF is that when you zoom in, you will always have a good quality because it's a PDF. You can zoom in as much as you want and you can see there's no pixel. And also, if the PDF has links, you can still use the links, even if you are in a different product or in a different planner. So we are on the live planner, remember that. And when we are here, we can still use the planner as we want. And we can go to the wings if I had one, but I don't have, so I can on how to. And then we have the same dashboard again. And this is how the PDF files will work as well. So when we have finances, you are going to have this finance overview here. And you can import it and paste it behind the study cover. And then you will also will be able to link into this. So I'm going to show you again, I'm going to show you this with the finances from the Item Blooming Life Planner. So we click on the notebook, we go, and I'm just going to call it finances. And now I can open my files again with a split screen. Go to download. I will go to here to Item Planner. You can see this is the finance section only, and I'm going to click on the arrow and I will import it into GoodNotes. So open in GoodNotes, and then I will import it after. You can also choose before and last page, but this is not helpful in this situation, so we choose after. And now, okay, now we have finances here. And you can see the finance dashboard from the other planner, but don't worry, the PDF that I'm going to upload to the VIP club will have the same look as the planner that you are using, and they will also be adjusted here to your section. But this is just to show you how it works. So after importing them, you have them here on the next page, and when a PDF is linked and you add a linked PDF into your planner, the links will not disappear. So for example, when I click on January finances, I will still have a link to January finances. And I can click on subscription and bills, and I will still get to subscription and bills. I can click on here D for December finances. I will still get back to December finances. And this is a very nice feature if you want to use PDF template in your planner. You can just import them behind a notebook or behind a custom page, and then you can reuse or use a section. That way you can use the hyperlinks, and if you want to get back to your planner, you will find a button for this. So this is just to show you how it works. And then you will find a button, and then you can get back to your planner, and you can see, you can go back. You can go back and use all the other pages, and when you click back on your notebook, then you can see the finances again. Okay, I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or something you want to say, don't hesitate to write something down in the comments. I'm looking forward to hear from you. If you have any other questions, you can also text me on social media, especially on Instagram, but you can also send me a mail. And yeah, so I hope that this was helpful, and we will see us in the next video. Bye!